when it comes to measurement on devices, so anything off desktop, from an OCR standpoint with Nielsen, we're there today, at least on our apps and mobile web. So that's cooking. It's in its initial stages, and we're getting used to dealing with discrepancies and things like that. Mobile VCE is very soon on the horizon, and then as 2015 progresses, and I've seen slides from Nielsen and other things that are coming up. You're talking about connected TV, OTT devices, and DAI, which is a major focus of us, and where there's a tremendous amount of volume. Hopefully are soon to come next year. So the IAB Video Emerging Tech Committee. There's a lot of proposals on that committee. It goes in a lot of different directions, as it pertains to these conversations and case studies. Server-side stitching as a standard. How that works. Getting the companies like MDialog, Brightcove, Adobe. Those are the main players in that space. All kind of talking the same language, so it scales more versus everyone having a little different approach to it. The high-res file standard, which is separate from server side, is also on the table as well, and hopefully gets adopted. The Ad ID proposal, which you'll hear about more, where this allows us as broadcasters to lean in on what has worked on TV for 50 years and really try to add asset distribution is going to be a big challenge for publishers in the next year as more virtual MVPDs come on board. Everyone wants to do their own flavor of encoding. VAST is going to quickly need to be adopted and fine-tuned to deal with all these new types to actually serving a video. So Ad ID can be that metadata, that key that ties it all together at the very least.